Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and I will help you elevate your life and become her at the end of all my videos. So that is the plan. Welcome back. If you have been a true and faithful subscriber, thank you for all your support throughout the years. I really appreciate it. I think this is the end of the year. It's exciting. It's Christmas time. I'm so excited to share the upcoming videos and I have a lot planned. So grab yourself a cup of coffee and let's get started. We have 30 days left in the year. Today is the 2nd of December, so I'm expecting you to be ready for Christmas. But I had to sit with myself and think a little bit, what did I do this year and what I would have done better. And to be honest, I don't want to be a little bit negative, but a lot of the things that I wish for me to happen this year didn't happen. And I had a rough year coming back out of depression and trying to get my life together. However, this year didn't end yet. So my plan is to draft for you a 30-day challenge in order to your lifestyle to get 100% better. And we will do it one step at a time and we will do it together. By the end of this video, you will have a free downloadable PDF. Just put your email and you will receive it to your email inbox. It is the guide step by step for one of the steps that we're going to do for this 30 days transformation. So let's get started. I wrote the video script down on my phone while I was going to work. So I will be looking at my phone and giving you the tips. But also, just a disclaimer, this is the easy edition of transformation. We're not doing drastic things because it's unrealistic to do major changes in the last 30 days of the year. And I also know with the holidays, you will be traveling, visiting family, celebrating with family, and I cannot expect from you to do much, but I will do my best to share with you my trusted tips in order to get better. And these are things that I am personally planning to do myself as well. The number one thing is wake up 1 hour earlier than you usually do. I'm not going to tell you wake up at 5 a.m. I'm not going to tell you wake up at 7 a.m. But whatever time you get up, biologically normal, like 8, for example, normally, or 7:30, let's try for the last 30 days to wake up 1 hour earlier. You can start it gradually, half an hour, and then build it up to an hour. But if you start waking up 1 hour earlier, the amount of time you will have and also the activities you will be able to do will help you get this lifestyle transformation in 30 days. The next thing is no social media first thing. We're going to put our phones far from us to charge. I know this is a tough one for me. I'm always opening my phone and looking at it, and I want to stop this in the last 30 days. So 1 hour earlier, phone is far in the charging, and I'm not going to pick it up until this hour ends. Once you wake up, I want you for 10 minutes to sit and write down your journaling and planning of the day. Meaning this day's affirmation, the way you feel in the morning or the way you would like to feel today, 1 or 2 tasks maximum that you will be happy if you get done in that day. Just sit for 10 minutes, put a timer. I have in the room here Alexa and another room Google. I just set a timer for 10 minutes and I sit down to write them. No biggie, just get your thoughts straight ahead so that your head is not clouded. So wake up 1 hour earlier, start 10-minute journaling and no social media or phones. And that is already a great start for 30 days before the year end. For the next 30 days, try a no fast food challenge. I know this sounds crazy and all of us wants to lose weight, but actually let's use the holidays. If you're traveling somewhere, try to limit yourself in your trip to eat fast food. Try to go to local food, street food, eat family cooked dinners and meals if you will go visit your granny. Just make sure to limit fast food for 30 days. This is our chance to gain back our health, and the first thing to do it is by limiting fast food and limiting unhealthy snacking. Try to eat things that are good. For me personally, to adapt to this, my biggest problem was I always ate at work something random that wasn't healthy for me. And the way to combat that is I took with me tuna cans and sardines and protein bread, and I'm keeping them in my drawer at the office so that when I even snack at the office, it is something healthy and not fast food. For the last 30 days of the year, let's keep 10K a day when it comes to steps. I mean, I'm using my Fitbit. I went back to wearing my Fitbit fitness tracker with my watch because I use this only for fitness related things and not like the Apple Watch. I still have the Apple Watch, but I don't want to wear it. I don't like it. Topic for another time. But try to get to 10K steps a day. I don't know. Take the stairs instead of taking the elevator. Park a little far and walk. Let's do 10K steps a day for these 30 days. So for 30 days, your sleeping pattern is going to be fixed. You will not be eating fast food and you will do 10K moves. This is already going to prepare your body for a healthier year for your transformation. Another thing, if you smoke or drink, try to limit that. Meaning put a number on it and stick to it. If you randomly don't think about how much cigarettes you smoke a day or how many drinks you take, just try to put a number to it. So for example, 1 drink a week, 2 drinks a week. Just limit it to a number and stick to it in order to start monitoring what gets into your body. We're double cleansing. I know. For me, I am very lazy to do double cleansing, but I am digging it a little bit when I tried it also for my body. So double cleanse your face to remove makeup and sunscreen, and double cleanse when you are showering using first a bar of soap and then the shower gel with your hand towel or loofah or African African net, I apologize. So whatever method you're using, double cleanse. This is going to make you squeaky clean, and it's going to help also prepare you for more skincare. So we're building also a skincare routine. I'm thinking about these 30 days as like a camp that after you go through, your life is going to transform. 2 to 3 liters of water a day. I know that's difficult, and I've talked in my previous video on things that helped me stay productive. This big gallon of water bottle, and it really helps me monitor, because back at the time I was just drinking cups of water randomly and I never knew how much water I'm drinking a day. But by having this gallon and using this gallon as a measuring tool, it just helped me realize how much water I'm drinking a day. And even if I'm going out and I'm going to take with me a smaller bottle, which is, my lovely A6 bottle that I put in all my bags because it's slim and sleek, I fill that bottle from the 3-gallon water bottle in order to keep it monitored and I don't lose track of how much water I'm drinking. This is also something that is going to benefit you all over: skin, hair, you name it. End your day with your vitamins. I mean, this is so crucial. I keep my medications next to my bed. That helps me a lot take them. So if you put all your vitamins next to your bed and you take them right before going to sleep, and actually one more habit that I am doing is that right now I put a bottle of water. I got this bottle of water, the very popular one from IKEA that has the cork top, and I put on it one of the cups from IKEA as well that stacks, and I put in that bottle of water 2 or 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So even when I am going to bed or I'm waking up, I drink acidic water, which helps my digestive system immensely and bloating. And also it helps me burn more. I don't know, that's maybe placebo, but if you do this and take your vitamins before bed, you tie it to an already done habit that you go to bed, and this will help you become more also glowy. There is a list of vitamins that I like to take, and I'm going to share with you what they are. I mean, it's different from the goals from one person to another, but the vitamins that I usually take are for nails, hair, and skin. And also on top of that, some things when you take them by mouth, they are much more effective than putting them topically. One of these things is hyaluronic acid. hyaluronic acid tablets are very, very beneficial. Collagen, but collagen, I put it in my coffee, so it's also another thing. If you want to know what I do for my skin, hair, and nails on the daily, like my routine, let me know, and I will be sharing that with you soon. Last but not least, this is difficult, but put for yourself a time where you end eating altogether. I have been trying to do intermittent fasting for so long, and I think my biggest problem was I cannot not wake up and drink a cup of coffee first thing in the morning. That's why it wasn't working for me to do the fasting, because at 7 I just start. But it can work if I limit myself from eating from, let's say, 8 or 9 p.m. I would say 7, but it depends on your schedule and how your lifestyle is. This time that you will put to limit yourself from eating differs from one person to the other, but I think fix your time of the day where you stop any type of food. And for me, it will be around 8 or 9, fluctuating, but that is what I think I can commit to. Those 30 days is about small, lazy changes that we can adapt to just to set the tone of the new year. This is going to prepare you for the new year to build the life you want. And I think those 30 days challenge items are very easy to adapt to. And my last but not least tip is have once a week a you spa day, a reset day. And this actually ties a little bit to my high maintenance things to be low maintenance, but at the same time it's a little different because it doesn't matter what budget you have, but these are things that when I do, it just really makes a difference and sets the tone for the week. Some of these things are dermaplaning my skin, applying a mask, doing derma rolling on my scalp and putting glycolic acid to exfoliate, then derma rolling, and then putting hair oil, putting a hair mask on my hair and staying in it a little bit, removing my cuticles, or these things that you do to reset how you look in the week and look better and feel better. That is the downloadable that I'm having available. So click on the link down below and put your email in order to receive it. And I can't wait for you to start the new year nicely and have happy, lovely holidays. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.